vote out Ervic. Tapos she was asking me who I'm going to vote out. Tapos I said, hindi ko po alam. And then, when I was with Ervic and the mangroves looking for shells, I said, be careful kasi they want to vote you out first.
Kampante ako, wala akong iniisip. Biglang bumulong sa akin si Solen. Sabi niya, Ervic, John and Michelle are targeting you and Aubrey. So kahit paano, syempre, sinabing tinatarget ako, na-alarma ako kahit paano. So, in-entertain ko yung sinabi ni Solen. Tapos sinabi ko, okay, alam ko naman yan na si John and Michelle, target talaga nila si Aubrey. So, sinabi ko na lang kay Solen, solid 4 kami, plus nanay Elma. Solid 4 kami. So, ikaw, kung dahil sa sinabi mo, parang sinabi ko sa kanya, pwede kang maging solid 5 namin. Sabi niya, okay. Basta sabi niya, okay guys, okay, I'm with you guys. Basta, hindi lang ako papahalata. Parang sabi niya ganun. So, sabi ko, sige, pwede kang maging spy kung ano yung magiging plano ng mga gustong kumalaban sa alliance namin. Talagang alliance.
My type of game, like I'm really the outcast. I'm just observing and then parang everyone's talking. So parang I'm no threat kasi, wala, she's there pero wala lang. So that's who I am, the wala lang person. Pero I made it this far after 8 tribal councils, so it should be working a little bit.
Susunod sa Survivor Philippines.
Why you have to win this? This community, you cannot witch out. You don't let them win. Kasi let's embrace it. If you win si John, he'll give you the Michelle. So we're all.
Pero if ever.
Hindi, try lang na.